friends, this is Tanya, and I wanted to share with you today one of my favorite DIYs that we did in our budget kitchen remodel, which I will link those other videos at the end. But we did a shiplap vent hood cover, and we had been pricing them, and we're just going to buy one, and they were anywhere from $700 to $1,300. And so Rob and I talked about it, and for roughly $40 in wood, not including the vent hood, we were able to make our own DIY shiplap vent hood cover, and I love it. I think it came out really cute, and it was just exactly the style I was looking for. So I'm going to let him show you and explain how we went about it, and maybe you'll be inspired to do your own.
This is Rob, and I wanted to show you my 36-inch Cosmo vent hood. Now you can, of course, pick out any type of vent hood you want, but it's your choice, but I happen to like this one. Now, the reason I bought 36 inches is because my stove, or my range is 30 inches, and I wanted to have a little bit of an overhang on each side. And I guess that's what's recommended, so that's what I went with. I'm really enjoying the stainless steel vent hood with the shiplap around it. It looks really good in the kitchen, and so I'm going to show you some photos of what it looks like, or what I kind of did on the fly. It's not really a tutorial on exactly how to do it. It's just showing you what I did. And I use these 4 holes on the top as the area where I secure the hood to my framing. And here is a photo of the wood itself. Like I said, I made it so the height of my framing that goes around it would give me 30 inches from the bottom of the range to the ceiling. And that's with gas. Now if it's electric, it's 20 to 24 inches, and so I have gas, so I went with 30. And here's the framing that goes around it, and I didn't really screw any of it, the wood, to the hood itself. I just put it around it snugly and made sure that those top pieces that are going, those vertical pieces right below the vent itself there, that's where the hood attached to it with screws underneath. The rest of it was just kind of fit in snugly and wrapped itself around the vent hood itself. There's the vent, and it's the collapsible type that came with the kit. It looks like it's 8 inches, and that's the part that goes through the wall, of course. And that's just a close-up of what it looks like with and it doesn't even expand all the way out, because I only have a 7-foot ceiling in my kitchen, so I made it so gosh, it doesn't even expand at all, barely at all, just a little bit. There's a down shot of it. Now you notice I had to cut the wood around it so it would fit. Otherwise it wouldn't work. It's just another side shot. You know, you can use any kind of wood you want. I start off with 2x4s, and then I went by 1x4s, and it doesn't matter what size you use, as long as you get your heights right, like your 30 inches, like I was trying to get. And that's just a little cut around. You'll see that there's a plug. This type of hood just plugs right into the socket, or the outlet. I had to put a little outlet up above too to make it so it has something to plug into. Fortunately, I know how to do some of this stuff, so it wasn't that big of a deal. But that's just a cutout there. It's just the wood just happened to snap off. There's my little fancy diagram on the wall of what it would look like, and you'll see that. Notice that my tiles, I didn't do my tiles until after I didn't finish my tiles until after I put the hood up. And then I also left some of the ceiling out so I could put the hood, or the studs for around the hood up to the wall, and then draw everything back to it, like the shiplap on the ceiling. You see how the shiplap is now going toward the box. Now, when I put my, it's just a bottom shot. Now, when I put my, oh, I just want to explain that these are the, the, the vent, the grills, I guess. So you just have to wash them in the washer or dishwasher by hand if they get greasy. That's what it uses instead of a charcoal filter, which I didn't want. I'm just going to show you now that this area here at the top, and there's a still photo right there where the screws are attached to the studs or the box that's around my vent hood. Another picture of it attached on both sides. Now you can see in a second, I'll show you, there's a couple of really heavy-duty L brackets. There'll be another close-up shot where I attach L brackets and then started assembling the rest of it while it was up on the wall. I just started putting up the shiplap, and it was really simple. You can do any design that you want. Here's the bottom part of the hood, just trimmed out. It's pretty easy to do that. I was able to just cut any size that I wanted, and I made it all smooth, and there's the finished product. We really like it, and it looks good. Thanks for watching.